The checkpoints that I am focusing on for this unit are 3.1 and 3.2. 3.1 focuses on activating and supplying background knowledge, and 3.2 focuses on the importance of highlighting patterns, critical features, big ideas, and relationships. So as a fourth grade teacher, reading comprehension is something that I think of when I'm reading these standards, and it's something that we focus heavily on. It's really important that students have their reading comprehension and their reading skills going into fifth grade, which is essentially just preparation for middle school and high school. Right now we are using Raz Kids for our online reading tool, but it's a challenge because you have to create assignments before you allow kids to use it, which makes it a tool that you can't always use if you need something to fill time or you have to change your lesson quickly. So the tool that I am looking at today is Starfall. Here is the URL right here. Starfall is an online reading program. It is free, and some of the interesting features that really made this program stand out to me were the pictures, the audio, and the highlighted words. So here you can go through and you can choose. There's different levels of reading activities, and so as a fourth grade teacher I would choose I'm reading. We're working with nonfiction right now, so I can go in here and I can choose a story on wolves. So I can flip through a nonfiction book, and there's some audio that goes with that. And what I really like about it is a lot of my kids are struggling with fluency or just vocabulary. So what you can do is you can either click on each highlighted word,
What?
and it will be read to you, or you can choose to click on this button and it will read the whole page to you.
What a pretty spot. Something will come here. It is a good spot.
So those are just a couple of the features that I really like about it. As for reviews, parents and teachers gave it 4 out of 5 stars, and they have quite a few different reasons and age ranges. They say that their kids love it. It's great for phonics. It's great for just teaching kids to love reading. So you can see there's a variety of age ranges, but really you can use it with any kids in any age. For classroom use, I can totally see myself using this in place of Raz Kids because there's more choice. I don't have to create an assignment, and it can just help them to work on their independent reading practice while giving them the scaffolding that they need, especially when it comes to tricky words or that fluency, which is really important that they hear how to read fluently. As far as the UDL application for 3.1, which is activating and supplying background knowledge, I think that it's simple, but these texts provide pictures. So right here, we're talking about the pretty spot, but what you get to see the picture, we're talking about different animals and they can see the pictures. So a lot of these students who really struggle with reading, they're going to use those pictures to inform their reading. As for highlighting patterns, relationships, and features for 3.2, this site is perfect for doing just that because you can go through, and let me X out this one, but I can choose 3 little plays, which if I'm working on specific words, you can choose text with those high frequency words like go, away, and you can choose just these different things that you can really emphasize which pattern you would like to focus on. So, like I said, this website is Starfall. I would use it in really any classroom as long as it's appropriate and students can stay engaged with it. I probably wouldn't use it above 4th grade, but for those low readers and for beginning readers, it is a great tool.